Hello, this is Narendra from Cynohub. In this session, we are going to discuss regarding the reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis is one of the methods to treat the water or to convert the hard water into soft water. Reverse osmosis, it is a water purification process that uses a semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane is nothing but which will allow the solvent molecules, but it will not allow the solute molecules. You just consider, simple it is that it will not allow any ions passage through that, but it will allow the water passage from it. That is semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane to remove ions, unwanted molecules and large particles from drinking water. So, you know that ions, calcium, magnesium salts will create hardness to the water. That ions is removed by using semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane is nothing but which will allow water to pass through it, but it will not allow ions to pass through it. That is called semi-permeable membrane. So, you can clearly visualize that reverse osmosis process here. So, you see this part is hard water. Generally, it has some kind of soluble ions are there, or some compounds are there, or some molecule, large molecules are there. So, here soft water is there. Soft water is nothing but it doesn't have any type of ions or compounds in that. Generally, what you are creating here is that high pressure you are creating. So, this is the semi-permeable membrane. So, this is the semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane, you know that it will allow just passage of water only, but it will not allow molecule or ions through pass it. So, that is semi-permeable membrane. Generally, when you are not applying any pressure here, what will happen? Water will flow from low concentration to high concentration. So, this is osmosis. Osmosis is nothing but when you are creating semi-permeable membrane, so water will flow from low concentration to high concentration. That is, this part is low concentration part, this part is high concentration. How I am saying that this is high concentration? Because it has more ions are there. Here nothing is there. So, this is low concentration, this is high concentration. So, water will flow from here to here. But what we are creating? More pressure we are creating. So, instead of osmosis, reverse osmosis is taking place. Opposite to the osmosis is that reverse osmosis. So, when you are applying high pressure, water from high concentration to low concentration. So, that is the reason we call it as reverse osmosis. So, this is the best method to purify the seawater. As you know that seawater contain more amount of NaCl. Salts are there. NaCl, calcium, magnesium salts are there. So, when you are creating high pressure, so this is seawater, which is hard water this side, and this side is that fresh water. So, in between semi-permeable membrane is there. So, when you are applying more pressure, high pressure, what will happen? Water is moving from this high concentration to low concentration, so that you are getting the fresh water. So, this is a semi-permeable membrane, or you can say that water filter. So, in the examination, generally this diagram you have to mention. So, this is the very important method to purify the seawater. The phenomena or the method is that reverse osmosis. You are applying high pressure, so that's why water from high concentration to low concentration it is moving. So, this is the reverse osmosis method. This diagram is very important. This you have to mention in the examination. Reverse osmosis method is very important to purify the seawater. In the next session, we are going to discuss regarding the Kalgan method, how to convert hard water into soft water by Kalgan method. That we are going to study in the next session. Thank you. If you have any suggestions, doubts, regarding this topic, leave them in the feedback section given below.